Hi guys, Tucker here at the 2017 Red Square Car Show at the University of Washington, and this year is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. This is the new LaFerrari Aperta. Only one around. And then Greg's LaFerrari as well, and a TDF. What is life? So not only are there two LaFerraris, including an Aperta and an F12TDF, but there's this SV. There's a ton of other crazy cars, but it's a big variety. R32, Noble, Vipers, Porsches. It's insane. What even? This is a favorite. This is McLaren 675 LT. Got the music though. Alright, there are a few cars over here that I've actually been wanting to see. There's this Liberty Walk GTR and then this RWB Porsche. I've been looking to get some pictures of some of these. That's pretty insane. And this insane Aventador. R34 GTR. Another Aventador. So insane. Mustang. R32. This is just the most insane exotic car show I've ever been to. GTR Nismo. I mean, come on. And then there's, of course, just the casual LaFerrari Aperta just hanging out with a TDF and another LaFerrari. What? Alright, so a bit on some of these cars. This LaFerrari is the only one in the world in this spec. It's a blue Electrico with a cream interior, black roof, of course, lots of carbon fiber accents. It's owned by Greg Witten, who also owns this TDF. There's 499 LaFerrari coupes in the world, and so that number is just the coupes, not the Apertas as well. 6.3 liter V12 and a hybrid KERS system, rear wheel drive, makes around 900 horsepower. Just absolutely unreal. And then here, Ferrari F12TDF, kind of the high performance inspired version of the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. Also limited, I don't remember the exact number right now. And then we go to the new Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta, of which there are only 209. To commemorate the 70th year of the company. Same drivetrain as the LaFerrari. All the mechanics, just there is no roof. It's just a removable hardtop. You can see the interior there. Pretty unreal. This one in a beautiful pearl white. Probably one of the last times I'll see one of these. High key, this M3 sounds really good.
Bit of ways away in the white tent. We got the Seattle
Bye,
Strong
Kevin.
cold brew coffee tent. They're selling some cold brew coffee today.
That's how you guys walk up.